I went through everything. I'm still
Okay.
trying to grasp the idea of the paired, when you do the pairs and when you do the, I don't know, those two ones that are similar.
There's the paired, and then there's the independent ones.
Yes, independent. I'm still trying to grasp those concepts.
There. Interesting.
As far as entering them into SPSS the way we need to and the variables, I think I almost have it.
I need to get it on this computer soon
You are
they sent
talking
an email
about
out saying we're doing SPSS.
Right. How about you, Patty? How you doing?
well. I went to the preparation assignment. I have done, and I just follow the steps. I am always now having problems with the variables, but hopefully, because if you don't transfer the right variable, then you don't get the exact result.
Right.
That I am having a little.
With that practice homework assignment, when you enter that into SPSS, you enter the group. I did that several times until I figured out you have to enter the group.
Yeah, because instead of going once, you need to go into two, and then to know really which one goes. That is I have failed on that, but so far so good. I did, and I resolved through the SPS. I don't know if Excel is easier. I don't know. I haven't tried Excel, but it seems that I noticed Morgan that's easier with the Excel, huh?
Yeah, I don't know Excel. I did ask our teacher. She said we don't need it.
Did you talk to her?
I talked to her last week. She said that we could do Excel or SPSS, but
yeah. And you had another question for her. Do you remember the last exercise? You said you will contact her for a.
I can't remember what the question was. Do you remember?
Yeah, it was it was about this figuring out the.
Oh, I know what it was.
Do you get it?
I think I remember.
Yeah.
So do you remember a couple of lessons ago when we had to subtract the difference from one mean to the next?
Yeah.
Well, I got that wording confused from the next lesson because it said, what's the difference of the mean? And so I thought we had to go back and subtract the one from the other. And I was confusing those two because the wording was the same.
Yeah. And did you talk to her this week? No.
Not this week.
Yeah. Okay. And about the tutor?
Have any of you guys signed up for tutoring?
I haven't.
I haven't either. Yeah, no, I haven't.
I signed up for it, but it's supposed to be tomorrow night, and my little note said, meet in the Man-Wearing Center in this room. I'm like, I can't do that.
There you go. It says, I will have these hours and click on this, but we are not.
Yeah.
There's an online, if you go to your BYU Idaho, your homepage, your main dashboard, there's a little link on the left-hand side that says online tutoring. And it says for math and writing, you can follow, and it gives you instructions on how to get the online tutoring.
I thought that's what I clicked, but then the instructions didn't make sense to me.
Oh.
I don't know.
But he sent on a specific email. I don't know if for our group or you know. Did you receive that email?
I did. What does that mean?
But if you click on that, I mean, it didn't have any. If you click it, there was nothing. I mean, you couldn't click on that to say better.
No, you'd have to copy and paste it.
There you are smart. I didn't do that.
I didn't
Well,
do
I
it.
was busy. I am trying to do my, okay. Well,
But I thought it was kind of last minute notice.
yeah.
I'm a person that needs more than a few hours notice of when somebody's going to be available.
Yeah.
All right.
All right, and we should go through something here.
Lesson 14.
Lesson 14. And part 2.
Shelby, did you say you didn't have time to do the prep assignment? Have you moved yet?
No, I'm trying to move in the morning, so I'll be done by Thursday, but I don't know if that'll happen. Packing is horrible. I hate packing.
And you're moving to St. George?
Yeah.
So did you say you had friends and family there? I can't remember.
I do. Yeah.
So you'll have help?
Yeah. Thank goodness.
Yeah. All right.
So I have it open, I just haven't worked on it yet.
Okay. If you want, we can go through that.
Okay. Let's see here. I'm just opening mine up. Okay, so you want to go over part 2 of the application, or do you just want to go into the quiz?
If we don't have questions.
In part 2?
I don't have any questions, so we can go on. What's up to everyone else?
I don't have any questions.
The interesting thing is the questions come when we develop the quiz, and we cannot, you know, the question comes very interesting when we do the quiz.
Yeah.
But we cannot record that.
Right.
Yeah.
So, do you have questions, Petty?
No, that I have a question, but with a quiz. No,
with the quiz.
I'm
Okay.
not,
Well,
yeah.
should I go ahead and stop the recording?
Yeah, let's work on the quiz.